Welcome to episode 2 to AI's Hardware Heartbeat. We explored the hardware foundation of AI, processors, sensors, and actuators. Now, we focus on the mind that reacts and learns, behaviorist artificial intelligence. Behaviorist AI is about action, reaction, and adaptation, mirroring psychological principles.
It starts with a stimulus, an environmental signal or event.
That stimulus triggers a response, an action by the AI system. Then, reinforcement, feedback guiding future behavior. Through these cycles, AI learns from experience, refining its capabilities.
Every smart system is a living loop of stimulus, response, and reinforcement, constantly evolving.
Sensors are the system senses, gathering environmental data. Processors analyze, calculate, and decide with incredible speed. Memory keeps short-term experiences, while storage preserves long-term knowledge.
Actuators express behavior, translating decisions into actions or outputs.
Combined, these elements allow AI to perceive, decide, and act, completing the behavioral cycle. For instance, a robot's camera detects a wall, a stimulus.
Its processor decides to turn, initiating the response.
The successful turn avoids collision, providing positive reinforcement. The robot learns, reacting faster and smoother next time, demonstrating adaptive behavior.
Behaviorist AI learns through direct experience and interaction with its environment.
3 mechanisms enable this adaptation and improvement. First, classical conditioning involves learning by association, like Pavlov's dog. An AI might learn a sound pattern means human nearby, anticipating interaction. Second, operant conditioning uses reward and punishment to shape behavior. A robot receives reward for correct movement, negative feedback for errors, refining its actions. Third, reinforcement learning optimizes behavior for long-term reward, continuously adjusting strategy. Success strengthens decisions. Failure shapes better strategies, leading to sophisticated learning. In robotics, behaviorist AI teaches motion and balance, allowing machines to discover efficient movements.
Engineers let robots learn efficient ways to move, just like living beings. Robotic arms and drones use reinforcement learning for precision and timing. In virtual assistants, every interaction shapes conversational abilities.
They adapt to corrections and tone changes, learning user preferences. This reinforces desirable communication, leading to more effective interactions. Recommendation systems refine suggestions based on user engagement. Clicks, watches, or skips provide valuable feedback to the AI. That feedback helps the AI predict what you'll enjoy next, tailoring your experience. The system learns behavior, optimizing for engagement, not feelings. Behaviorist AI with IoT creates reactive intelligence, integrated into our lives. Smart homes adjust lighting, cars brake automatically, and healthcare devices learn body rhythms. Hardware provides the physical bridge, sensors, processors, and network modules. Behaviorist AI gives them a logic that evolves with use, making them intelligent. Devices learn to cooperate, creating a responsive and adaptive environment.
At its core is feedback, essential for intelligence. Every intelligent behavior, biological or artificial, depends on feedback loops.
In humans, it's how we learn from reward and correction, adjusting actions.
In AI, it transforms trial and error into mastery, achieving sophisticated performance.
This cycle is AI's heartbeat, making machines more than metal and code, imbuing adaptive intelligence. We see more than technology in processors, sensors, and circuits. We witness artificial behavior, a new intelligence emerging from hardware, an intelligence needing only experience, feedback, and adaptation, not consciousness. Hardware gives AI its structure, its physical foundation.
Behaviorist intelligence gives it its soul, enabling reaction, learning, and evolution.
Together, they form modern technology's living pulse, the true hardware heartbeat of AI. Thank you for joining us on this journey. In episode 3, we'll dive even deeper. Don't miss it.
Welcome back to episode 3 to AI's hardware heartbeat. We've explored how hardware gives AI its body and how behaviorist learning gives it a reactive mind. But today, in this third chapter, we step beyond a single machine into the world where every intelligent device becomes part of one living network, the era of connected intelligence. In the beginning, machines acted alone. Each robot, sensor, or AI system learned within its own limits. But as technology evolved, we discovered something extraordinary. When machines connect, they evolve together. Through Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, 5G, and cloud connectivity, hardware systems began sharing data, learning collectively, and forming the digital ecosystem we now call the Internet of Things. The individual heartbeat of one AI became a global pulse of intelligence. Every connection in this system begins with physical components, network cards, routers, and wireless modules that allow communication between devices. Wi-Fi acts like the nervous system, transferring signals between nearby devices. Bluetooth connects smaller components, wearables, controllers, headsets, with minimal power. 5G becomes the bloodstream of modern AI, carrying massive data instantly across distances. And cloud connectivity serves as the brain's memory, storing, analyzing, and redistributing intelligence globally. Together, these technologies turn isolated machines into cooperative organisms. Behaviorist AI taught machines to react individually to stimuli. Connected AI teaches them to collaborate. Imagine a city where traffic lights, cameras, and self-driving cars share information in real time. Each device reacts not just to its own sensors, but to the stimulus of others. The entire network behaves like a single living mind, adaptive, self-organizing, and continuously learning. This is collective reinforcement learning in action, a behaviorist principle scaled to an intelligent society. The cloud is not just storage, it's the shared memory of connected AI. It allows robots, assistants, and devices to update their knowledge together, transforming learning from an individual process into a global phenomenon. A drone that learns to navigate obstacles in Beijing can upload its data, so another drone in Riyadh benefits instantly. Knowledge no longer belongs to one device. It circulates like thoughts within a digital collective mind. 1. Smart homes. Devices learn and coordinate. Lights adjust, doors unlock, and air conditioning predicts comfort before you even arrive. 2. Smart cities. Sensors balance energy, reduce traffic, and adapt to population flow dynamically. 3. Healthcare AI. Monitors and wearables learn patient habits and share them securely with hospitals. 4. Industrial IoT. Factories evolve automatically, predicting faults before breakdowns occur. In each of these, hardware forms the infrastructure, behaviorist AI governs the reactions, and network intelligence connects them into one seamless ecosystem. This new intelligence doesn't just exist within one machine, it flows between them. Each connection, each shared packet of data, strengthens the collective rhythm, the heartbeat of connected AI. Just as neurons create thought when they connect, machines create intelligence when they communicate. We are witnessing the birth of a world where every device contributes to a greater mind. A city breathes with algorithms. A home senses your comfort. A network of AIs learns from your patterns and from each other. Hardware gave AI its body. Behaviorist learning gave it its mind. Now, networking gives it life. This is the era of the connected intelligence, the third and most powerful heartbeat of artificial intelligence. Thank you for joining us on this journey. In episode 4, we'll dive even deeper. Don't miss it.